Osoro Nyankopon, San God Nyankopon, na sumbie nka obi biara wo hwe me enedei. Na baby awowa wo hwe me bia na sumbie nka wo soso, wana aye spiritual works. Edifo, nananom, akonfo densifo, spiritual awareness. Obi biara wo yesunsum dwuma, emmema ne mma, mpanimfo, ene nkwadaa nyinara. Asumbie nka obi biara, na dwuma obia eye no. Ahonhoma edibua nipa, ne dibua sunsum dwuma. The invisible powers of life, powers of nature, powers of the universe. Embua obia. Asase na eso. Problems e woni pa so nya agro. Ba akufo ntimi solve. Ehia many hands on board. Na many hands on board no uko Timothy e wo Bible mu a ekyere se adoma chede no emugu ahodo pii. Nti obia ne na adoma chede a ode nam. Nanso so etwa eje onipa da sani se. Esan se de utwa asanim se ne chia chienti no. Etu ba bia you reflect, you reminisce, you think deep, you meditate. You have convocations, evocations, and invocations. You connect with your spiritual arena, your energies, your powers, your angels, your deities, your gods. So you refresh your mind, and then you always correct your mistakes and make sure you are rising to perfection, because in the spiritual arena, key point is very simple. Triangle, no, top one, and they're highly pointed. Everybody is rising up gradually. And you need to rise up gradually. Not by money necessarily, not by numbers necessarily, but by your own maturity. What is the mechanism? Me angel powers, me the grandmaster, the prophet of all prophets. What I say, the grandfather of all spiritual fathers, the sun God. The person make a secret picture what it. So question ye. And nipa bebre ebisa me sa question we nenne ma fa kwan bi so e de ato ho a me pese me ankasa me den the answer sa question. Say, is it good to put camera on people at spiritual places? Sa question we say. Ma men kan okure omu nyina nchiro. Say ka say spirituality. When we say spirituality, we are basically talking about invisibility, right? Right? Yeah, spirituality, we are talking about invisibility, the invisible aspect of life. That is spirituality, right? Which means unfa weni physical crane de. E die na ma spirituality ebe ye physical. Se sa na yebi bisa dia na yembisa se die na ma abrofo no ba Ghana, Africa, Africa in general. Omo de missionaries eba ye kutukuta buka omo di preachi. E die na ma Arab fo no ba Africa omo kutukuta omo Quran. Kutukuta omo so hyehyɛ ya omo di sisi mosque omo so so ye de eye omo ndwuma e de na ma India for sisi China for ina tesi ekrom omo sisi temples a omo de omo abosom sisi wo eye de intira because eto de bia spirituality, it moves with humans, and humans, they are living in physical realm, and since humans are living in physical realm, you need to attract humans by the physical nature before connecting them to the spirits. Intino se woko asori na se ye de camera si wuso wo ho ma ne yeyi a woko konfo ho no mu a na se ye de camera si wuso wo ho ma ne yeyi a woko malam kwa na de kire se ho no esese wona ye de camera ne si wuso no omutimi ti ase de omo ye na no na bebre enti ase na me the son of God, the son God ankasa angel powers the Bible church or the dynamics e was anima we ni mu without malice, without hatred, without anything. The truth, the greatest light, and the facts, and I'm a day, bro. Yen say, camera na ye di see the person. Suma ya wodo na ahonhom awodo kra no dodo na ampe cameras. Nanso obi betime pie prekope. Was a medium suma ya ope camera. Woni hwan e challenge. Or no de no ho no okuta ni 2 minutes or see 2 minutes ope camera. You don't have to challenge that. With all due respect, what you say, yeah. Afin so. Obi na akwa na sorry. Ana obi na akwa na komfo ho. Ana obi na akwa na spiritual place. Ana okodi adanse tieniye adanse. Adanse de ne wom. Ye kasa ye kama edom tie na omohu ye tumi bitimi ye anase omohu de asi. Whether it is witness or testimony, ni nyina no it testifies or it clarifies situation bi ama wo hu the reality on the grounds. and go for the dance here where TikTok platform, so social media everywhere all the time. At your see, Sana will be Tina Kubin sus asoy as a baby or Yajuma could dear dance here. Me picture na me profile hano. Miniminipa over 5,000 use me picture because my catcher says who used to sound God me angel powers me picture sa particular picture na me profile na we don't yame say we near my best start to say ye because a be the point of contact between you, I and the sun God, the white angels. And go for GD omuye dance here. I didn't know we use me picture. So we use me picture now, we are both on more connection, right? Of very uncle one ye. On very OGD because when him say I am credible, I am real. What I'm doing is exactly as a spiritual father is supposed to do. A clean work, a show working. What you say? And today, until we be bold, no, I be there dancing with social media. No, I post to a dance here, no, because nipa no unfair so we didn't want war. When him said, we are real, we are credible. What you say? Good. So now call other spiritual people are amunya dance here we post it. Afi yemra camera no so. Odi 40, comforti, malam nanati. Wan kasa wadi a wo ye no, a sunsuma tie si wo so no. So the camera si so a ye wo ni sunsum ntemu asem. Na me minim sa honhom bebre mpesa but ebinim so makwan. Your time o mutimi makwan, your mamra obetimi aye so so obe makwan. Na emum nipa na waba wo ho no, at the point onya aware of the surrounding, onya aware of himself or herself. Te said ye ubo be deliverance. Bibia tie si ni so. Or kasa or kasa kasa na wo kana wonnim de ebekwa akofa ba nti se wo de camera no to no so a obetimi reveal secret bia emboa wo nompo na daache ebetimi de asema ba enu nti ye na yekuta tumi kase no ye ko spiritual meeting wo realms a angels no tumi no timi kire se a bonus at point of time as nipa no bibia to no so asede wo boni deliverance of wa wo bo obi deliverance anase obi asunsum awura ne mu obi ho no akọ spiritual place bibia bebo awura no otwa no ho wode no ho toto form ne ade at that point no on de no ho at that point no member kan kire me se wono na ama akwan se fa camera to no so at that point no onya aware of the surroundings. It is bound upon you, the spiritual father, the spiritual master, or sofu odifo, whoever you are, say obi hu say it is your responsibility. So Bobo say any pano, the dignity, the glory, and then the secrecy, the privacy ho ban. Say na need da ho, no say fatu no so no problem. Who ye preaching? Or say fatu so, who ye so full preaching was sorry them need me the camera to no so dia. So obi so you na so ne so confirm na spiritual person bi so ye the programmer. Say ceremony, seminar, retreat na so for ultimately the camera to so. But when it comes to spiritual touch, you find magnetic touch. Some magnetic touch no, and say bibia wure nipa nim. Wo at that point, spirit be a boy wurano. A hona de camera to sono. Since I won't mean predicted the spirit ne de ne beyen. A bit me raw mo, a bit your motive form, a bit can send be a any seni pafo frotty, a bit can any fear hintasem. Spirit me be so bimu, was say, I mean, I may no meaning and I frame a gissy. Madame, offer, I dear we are de to a bontino, obe say any panenimunyam, obe critic confusion man when you fear, and your populist attitude, what the business. Say ye business na say ye dwuma kroje na opese wo ye dia nipa no time a waye possessed ana bibia ba beto ne so no eho no onya aware of himself onya aware of herself at that point in time no we unaware what you say we semi conscious sometimes unconscious. It is bound upon you, the spiritual master, to protect the privacy of such a person, to protect the dignity of such a person, to protect the independence of such a person, to protect the glory of such a person. At that point, when the camera to us what from spiritual law, what from nipano, no wajudi no baba, unim what I say, ultimate challenge, it is bound upon the doctor to protect the patient. And yes, I do be my patient, be our say poison. It's doctor, your responsibility. It is our responsibility to protect those who come to us. All of us, it is our responsibility. At certain points in time, especially at the magnetic point, as soon as my benny panasono, and fact, come around to so. Now the other can name the ABC would name if you quite me raw motive to matter the M1. When Yanko points out be a gene munim dada, the only sun god, the angel powers, the name of white angels. Shall who see ye, the Mema Babecano, a final.